Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to reopen the same web page to exact position after closing the Chrome or Edge web browser for PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the Chrome web browser. And say I have opened one website, so let me scroll down to the bottom of this web page. So now in order to reopen the same web page to this exact position, what you need to do is just click on these three dot icons and just click on the settings. And now on the left side you can see here on startup, just click on it. Now here you will see one option, continue where you left off, just select it. And now let me close it. Now let me close this Chrome web browser. Now let me try to reopen the Chrome web browser. So you can see it's opening the same web page to the exact position where I left off. So it's working perfectly. So this is how you can do in the Chrome web browser. Now similarly, just open the Edge web browser and say I've opened one website again, and let me scroll down below to the bottom of this web page. And in order to reopen the same web page to this exact positions, just click on this three dot icons and click on the settings. And now on the left side you can see start home and new tab page. Just click on it and just select this open tabs from the previous session, and now just close it. Now let me close this Edge web browser again and let me reopen the Edge web browser. So now you can see it's working perfectly. It's opening the same web page to the exact position where I left off. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily reopen the same web page to exact position after closing the Chrome or Edge web browser for PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.